Hi, this is Aaron Hebner again. I'm here for my third video in our apps that we use in the classroom discussion. My first two covered classroom apps. As I'm not currently working as a teacher, I'm a stay-at-home parent and full-time grad student. I shared two apps that my children use in their school from a parental perspective regarding Seesaw and ClassDojo. On this one, I'm going to take a little different approach and use something that I used in my last class. Most of you have, I'm assuming, already taken instructional technologies and classroom management. And in that class, we started doing our Google site for professional development regarding the 10 teacher standards. And as I click on here, you can see that I've slowly started to add items on Google Sites regarding that to help build my portfolio. But from what I understand, Google Sites can also be used to create websites, not only for projects but also for classrooms. And I thought I would run through some of the things that I found. Earlier, I had started a new Google site, just named it My New Classroom, and it comes up with a kind of a template that you can use regarding building your own classroom website. I think this would be a great feature in a classroom if there's not another app available or if it's just familiarity, as most people do have Google accounts. As you can see, this is a completely generic website. I really haven't gone through and dug through anything, but there are a lot of great features on this site. One is the communication can happen, postings can happen. You can embed different, as you can see, like word of the week, student of the month, announcements. Communication and learning as both a parent and a teacher candidate is the biggest thing to clear up obstacles and just to help the child continue on their learning path. As I discover more about Google Sites, the more I like it. The technology in the classroom that we're discussing this week and the past 2 weeks is a little overwhelming for me, but I just had to get past my own insecurities, and I'm discovering a lot of new great features that I can incorporate as on my path to becoming a teacher. I think using these Google Sites, because they're completely customizable, they allow for a myriad of variations that can be done to enhance your classroom and experience for the students and the teachers, and as parents as well. I like that you can do different things, like do homework assignments, have a class calendar, just share upcoming announcements and communicate. I think it's a great way, and it also, one thing, security is always a big thing, and I like that it can be a closed section that only allows parents and students to interact with the website. So that's my short take on Google Sites. I've done this one in addition to ClassDojo and Seesaw. Thank you.